días. Saliste en el live. Sí, ahorita. Yo, what's up, everybody? Boom shakalaka. Every single day, you are. Let's see if we can get some liquidity strips here in gold. I'm gonna tag it red. Uh, yo, I don't know if it's here's that market structure shift that I would be looking for in gold. Good morning, everybody. Hey, ABOB, how are you? Market structure shift should be here for me at least. Let's go see on the 1 minute if we can get 1 minute entry. Yeah. Here's a strip of the high. Possible 1 minute market structure shift here. Again. Let's wait and see. Possible market structure shift here. Depending on how this closes. Oh boy. Yeah. I'm not, good morning, team. JG. I'm sorry. All right. So this was for you all joining me. Yeah, this was my gold possible long. I didn't get filled. You know, sometimes I'm not going to get that pullback towards my inefficiencies or towards even my points of interests. But my bias was spot on. I sent this signal whilst price was trading at this level. So yeah, I was spot on. And my other one was this GJ short, again spot on. But I didn't get, I sent this signal whilst price was trading here, I reckon. But I didn't get that pullback towards my point of interest on both trades. Sometimes that'll happen, mates. Sometimes that will happen. There's nothing I can do. This is a game about probabilities and waiting. But one thing that I don't do is chase the market. So looking for some market structure shifts in gold. I'm going to put on an alert here. Yeah, alert. Boom. All right, and let's have a look at the S&P 500. So I don't trade U.S. equities whilst on, well, this is interesting. US 30 might get down. We might get some very cool shorts on U.S. equities today. Right. Hi, Jalal. How are you? I wish you a good day, my friend. Let's have a look at the 50-minute chart here. I am going to delete all my drawings. Fucking drawings. I need to go lower. 5-minute chart is okay. So we do have a very, very big ass imbalance here on the 5-minute chart. That should, in fact, be quite interesting for the S&P 500. We are trading within that imbalance. So I'm going to look for shorts, mates. This is the short day for U.S. equities. I'm going to look for a break of, as I told you yesterday, the GBP Japanese yen is active. No, I made a mistake. If you're a VIP, you need to delete the GBP Japanese yen, not the euro yen. I'm sorry. So here you go. Here's that market structure shift that that I'm looking for. That I always look for pre-market. It's a break of the pre-market high lows. This is what I want, a break of the pre-market lows. Price feeling that inefficiency in the market very nicely. What the fuck is this? All right. So let's wait and see. So that's my liquidity grab here on the S&P 500 on the 5-minute chart. I dig it. Let's go lower to the 3-minute chart. The 3-minute chart is where I take my entries. So we do have here a very nice imbalance on the 3-minute chart, possibly getting filled. Oh boy, but I need that market structure shift. So listen, guys. Um, Here's that imbalance on the S&P 500. I'm sorry. Oh, all right. Here's that imbalance on the S&P 500 on the 3-minute chart, but I'm not going to take this trade just yet because I have no direction. I have no breaker. Yeah. I made a mistake. I corrected it just now. I'm sorry about that. I mean, yeah, I am sorry about that. So I'm not going to take it because there's absolutely nothing that tells me that we are in a shifting market structure. This definitely might not be the last sweep of the highs, right? This might not be the last sweep of the highs, and we might get another sweep of the highs right here, which would make this the breaker not the breaker, the market structure shift level. So I need to go play accordingly, right? This is no longer an imbalance. This has been mitigated or filled. You deleted all before news. That's good, mate. So yeah, what do we have here news-wise? I haven't checked the econ. Yeah, USD Core PPI. We got at 6:30 a.m. Wow, you placed a gold short. Oh boy, that wasn't the best thing to do. Uh, you know, uh, yeah, there's absolutely no way that you could have known about Hamas attacking, you know, Israel, right? But this is the swing trade that is running at 530 pips for the swing trading group. Now, there's a bit, I mean, taking a short, just let me show you this. Gold on the, yeah, let's wait. Maybe we can get some shorts here later today. The market's about to open in 2 minutes, guys, so I'm going to do this very quickly. So taking shorts here was definitely ill-advised since you need to go, always look for levels, mate, since you were dealing with this massive level right here. No, I'm sorry. This is not what I was talking about. Of course, you were dealing with this massive level right here. All of this. So, yeah, ill-advised to have taken that trade, mate. Be careful. And another piece of advice that I can give you is that do not leave open trades that you've taken on Friday unless they're running a healthy profit, because you are going to get fucked, or you might get, right? So I was looking at the S&P 500. This is it. We're about to open. The market is about to open. Let's have a look. S&P 500 should be red, and the uh, US 30 should also be red. So there you go. Here we are. Let's wait for that open. Wow, did it by accident swiping my iPad. That's a shame, mate. How are you, sir? Just joined. Good morning, dark. Oh, all right, the market just opened. Let's have a look at this. The market just fucking opened. We need to check if this is in fact the last sweep of the lie of the highs on the S&P 500. And same thing here on the Dow. We are hitting some good levels on the high time frames on both, guys. So let's wait and see what happens. Possibly we'll be taking a trade live. Market structure shift should be this. No, this is the last report of highs. And again, this look very bullish. That's why we don't trade unless this is the same thing as yesterday, guys. We don't trade at the pre-market, and we don't trade unless we get confirmation of our bias. Again, if we get another break of the highs, we are going to look for this zone after for the market structure shift. Right, but only if we get a new break of the highs. If we don't get a new break of the highs, guys, we're going to look, yeah, for a nice on the 1 minute chart. Actually, on the 1 minute chart, I should be looking for shorts right now. I don't trade the 1 minute chart, and the reason that I don't like it is because of this low right here. It's because of this low right here. So I'm going to keep my guns to the one that I trade, the 3 minute chart, which is the one that I have back tested the shit out of. Left the Ethereum trade open, got absolutely canned over the weekend. Lol, hi and Diata. Steven, same thing. All right, so breaking the highs. Breaking the highs, that means, guys, that I'm looking at this as my possible liquidity sweep on the S&P 500. And we don't have this, and this should be my market structure shift. I'm hunting. This is how I hunt. I hunt setups. I'm hunting setups, guys. On the US30, we haven't broken with that high just yet. You got a good trade on the GBP Japanese yen. That's awesome, mate. And 100 pips. Congratulations. Congratulations. All right, let's just wait for this trade. Let's have a look at some possible target zones. Yeah, I do dig this liquidity lows. Dale. Te voy a quitar la cámara, espérame. Just a second, my girlfriend is she's passing through here. She just woke up and she's in her sexy pajamas just walking by me right now. She don't want to be on camera. Yeah, so this lows should be good for liquidity. I'm sorry, not liquidity. This is a 15-minute liquidity target zone that I always look for. 3 minute chart. Let's do this, guys. Let's hunt this fucking trade. Now, what I would want to see is this. If this is in fact the last sweep of the highs on the S&P 500, I would like to see a break of these lows. This would mean the market structure has shifted to the bear side, and I would want to look for shorts above it, right? Yeah, we have fun too on my fucking streams. You buy gold back at 1969? I don't know, mate. I'm focusing on the S&P 500. Just give me a second for that. I'm going to put an alert here on the Dow because I really don't want to miss a possible entry on either one of them. Right? Here we go. Hunting. Let's hunt. Oh boy. Very bearish move in gold. We shall be looking for sales in gold at the imbalance that is going to be left by this candle. I'll be looking my point of interest in gold shorts. This is a phenomenal. We're going to get to trade gold today too. This is my point of interest in gold. All of this. Yep. Fuck it, I'll leave it like that. That's my point of interest in gold. But that is only if we break with the lows. Just waiting out. waiting out. So we got three hot markets at the moment. Gold is looking very good. So what I'm looking at here is this. After I took this long, I'm going to delete this, guys. Shite. I deleted gold. Uh, here. Yes. So I'm going to delete this. This was from the London Open. This is looking phenomenal. This is looking very, very good. Still need the break of the Asian or the pre-market in the New York pre-market, right, for me to be able to take a trade. I reckon I'm going to enter short. Should price break with these lows, I'm going to enter short here, placing stop losses, maybe above the structure highs to be completely protected. This trade is coming, guys. Don't go anywhere. The S&P 500 is absolutely not doing anything, but this is good, right? This doesn't mean there's no volume, absolutely not. This means there is a big struggle between buyers and sellers here. So if you like my live shows, please comment below the video. I'm gonna start doing this. I mean, at least do that because I do this for fucking free. So let's just wait for this possible setup. This is going to be a good setup in gold. Um, very good one. So I'm going to send a video to my VIPs telling them about this. Um, Here's a market structure shift. Blam blam short. And I shall be looking for targets. Again, a 15-minute liquidity here. This is going to be a good one. What's your input on GBP USD for possible buy? I do not know, mate. Let me focus on what I'm doing. I can answer that later. Um, Even though I do this live shows for free, and I'm happy to, to comment on your ideas. When I'm focused on my trades, I'm focused on my trades. There you go. So possible 5.36 are short here on gold. Yep. Uh-huh. We need a break. I'm going to. All right, traders, how are you? Orlando here. So the market just opened, and I have three hot markets for you. I have three hot markets for you. The first one is gold. Even though we missed buys in gold at the London Open, I'm looking for shorts now. If you notice, we are hitting that 15-minute, imbalance where my targets were placed, and price is just starting to pull back and reverse. So we got that last sweep of the highs, or the sweep of the London session highs at the open. And I am looking for a sweep or a break of the New York pre-market lows in order for me to focus on possible shorts here at this point of control, right? Not point of control, point of interest. And I would be targeting, of course, as always, the 15-minute liquidity for a nice 5.35 R. On the S&P 500 side, I'm going to do the gold in the S&P 500 very possibly. I'm looking for a market structure shift. We are at a high time frame. I'm going to show you, not high time frame, but this is a big ass imbalance that price just filled up on the 3-minute chart. So I'm looking for a possible reversal from these levels. Now the setup is not yet cooked. We need a break of the previous lows in order for me to find a possible point of interest for shorts. And the same thing goes for the Dow, even though the Dow is leaving a ton more to offer than the S&P 500, so don't go anywhere. And there you go. Oh boy. So, yep. This is what I'm looking for, and now I can go ahead and look at that possible pound. GBP, what was it? Gold. Beautiful. All right, so GBP USD was it? Uh-huh. So, buys on the GBP USD. I mean, I'm not trading this. This sucks. It just looks untradeable to me. Very choppy, mate. I'm sorry. That's what I can say. Focusing on my markets now. Shit, I have the hiccups. All right, so any questions, guys? If you don't have any questions, I'll just hunt for these setups myself. Um, you're more than welcome, Brandon. I'll just hunt for these setups myself. This 5 minute chart in gold is the 3 minute chart in gold. 3 minute. The third minute, God created the woman. No, I'm kidding. I'm sorry if there's any religious man here or woman. I'm not making fun of you, but no, this is the 3 minute chart. I don't trade the five. I trade the 3 minute chart, mate. So I'm waiting for this. And this will be if this setup develops, I'm going to go even lower. Maybe here. I don't care about the risk to reward ratio. I care about getting filled on this possible selling gold, mates. Um, so let's wait for that possible pullback. S&P 500 and the Dow. I'm going to focus on the Dow here for possible shorts. Even though, yeah, this is the liquidity that I should be targeting. On the 50-minute chart, of course, I need to look at the 50-minute chart. Just have a look at this sell on the sell on the Dow that I had. This was on the end of September. Could have been a 10R. I mean, everybody's a hindsight hero, aren't they? But yeah, I took that trade. So this is very possibly my target short for the Dow. I'm going to delete this. I hate it on my chart. And I'm going to change the color of my charts today. Good. So that would, in fact, give me a nice risk to reward ratio here, short. All right, almost getting to that break where I'm going to look for shorts on gold. My entry is going to be this tiny ass imbalance instead of that point of interest. So this tiny ass inefficiency is where I shall be looking for sales in gold right here. So it's going to be a 4R. When we hit that market structure shift, heads up, I'm going to place that on my MT5 risk calculator. So that should be, oh, come on, man. Don't fuck with me and break that low. 1870, 96 or so. 1870. 1870, 96. What? 1871. Yeah, 1896. 1871 should be 1870, 86. All right. So, any questions, guys? If you don't have any questions, yeah. Gold is an A plus setup if we can get the sweep of the lows and retracement. I agree with you, my man, Tim, from the south. No, you're not from the south. You're from uh, Texas, right? Or Austin or something like that. I don't know. I remember. Looks like gold is dropping. Yeah, looks like it, mate. Looks like it. So let's just wait for that particular. Nashville, Tennessee. That's right. I knew it was something to do with music. I really, really want to bet. Yeah. And you still owe me like 12 beers, so I will eventually go down or up because I'm from El Salvador. Up to Tennessee. Whoa! I'm sorry. All right, nothing too much going on, guys. Been alive for about 20, exactly 27 minutes. It's at least a case now, mate. Yeah. It's at least a case. We're gonna get drunk, definitely. Um, yeah, I mean, this is just a waiting game, guys, and there's absolutely no need for me to wait or for you to wait here with me. Um, but um, CAD, Swiss franc, I don't trade that market, mate. I don't trade the Canadian dollar, and I don't trade the Swiss franc. What I'm going to look for also, look at this. Oh boy, this one is stupid, man. Oh, you're a Japanese yen. Just look at the Japanese yen just dropping like a fucking bomb. This is the 10-minute chart on the Japanese yen. Um, Now this is just super bearish. Break of structure, break of structure. I'm gonna look for pullbacks here on this market, but I'm telling you that moves like this are just going to be very hard to get the pullback that I'm always looking for. In order to get short on the Japanese yen, meaning that this would have to be a bullish pullback on such a strong market, right? So the reason that I didn't look for longs here is because I didn't get an A setup, right? Never got the last sweep of the lows to me. That is just liquidity standing here, and that can be a fake market structure shift. And that's what the data shows me. Euro yen good sell. What would you want to sell the euro yen if the Japanese yen is just dropping like a bomb? I'm not even going to look at that. Japanese yen. Focus on the markets that you are trading, man. All right. God damn it. No longer. You know what? I'm just going to get. I'm going to have to be true to my entry model. My point of. I'll do this. I'll do this. I'm gonna look for a breaker though. If you notice here, we have a. Yeah, here is where we have a breaker. So I'll just enter at that breaker. If we get that sweep of the lows, I don't know. I'm gonna look for something. I wish you all a good, Good rest of your day wherever you are in the world. If you're a VIP, you're going to get all of these trades, mates. If you're not going to. So I sent yesterday a free signal on the Euro USD. I personally got stopped out of break even on the Euro US dollar short yesterday. I know a ton of you took profits, at 1 hour or so. That is just not how I manage my trades. But it's fine. That was a free trade. I don't think I'll be sharing any more free stuff for the rest of the week. But it's up to you if you want to join my VIP group. I really, really, really mean it. Thank you for joining me, guys. Let's wait for this. I mean, if you're not a VIP, don't try to enter blindly my setups. It's not that it's complicated, but it's very specific what I do. So it's not. We've made the VIP group so very cheap, very inexpensive. That's because everybody can, so everybody can afford it. Big accounts, small accounts, even people that are still trading demo, are in my VIP group. Why? Because practice makes better. So yeah, that's me, guys. Thank you again for joining me. Please, if you're not subscribed to the channel, just do so. Leave me a comment below. I would appreciate it, and I'll see you later. Cheers.